An upgrade to a pinnacle piece from our Hunt EMOD system, the new Element dry bag will protect your gear in any environment. No matter how adverse weather may be, your gear will always stay dry and protected. Made from a PVC coated nylon, the Element is completely weatherproof and extremely durable. Zip the Element onto our Mainframe and now you have 4,000 plus cubic inches of weatherproof storage, making this 13-ounce dry bag a powerhouse in the field. It can also integrate with our Just One pack, making a larger backcountry hunt setup for extended multi-day trips. The zipper keeps the bag tight to the frame with room to fit our bolt-action scabbard for rifle carry between the bag and the frame. The most notable upgrades on the Element dry bag are a series of Hypalon loops on the exterior of the bag and 3 corresponding straps with auto-locking buckles for an easy attachment to the Mainframe, keeping the bag more secure and allowing for better integration with EMOD accessories. This allows you to separate the bag from the frame and help carry the heavy loads out of the backcountry. The new auto-locking buckles ensure your load won't shift or loosen on long, heavy packouts. The Element dry bag adds dozens of accessories and configurations in our Hunt EMOD line. If you have any questions on how packs may work together within the system or any Eberlestock products, please utilize our Gear Pro program and reach out to customer service at eberlestock.com and they can help you with your questions and create a custom video just for you. The Element dry bag is available now on our website at eberlestock.com. Go check them out. Good luck this season and get out there.